subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is expected to launch Galaxy Note 10 Lite before the end of this month. And recently, the renders of the smartphone has spotted online by WinFuture that showed the design and colors of the upcoming phone. According to leak renders, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite is seen to have flat display with a punch hole at the top center for selfie camera, and it has rounded corners with a thin bezels around the edges of the screen. On the rear, the device looks to have triple camera setup at the top left corner in squarish module, including LED flash. The power button is visible at the right edge along with the volume rockers. The renders also suggest the phone will come in black, white and red color options. Additionally, the phone is also spotted with the traditional S Pen that matches the color of the back panel, but except in case of white variant, the S Pen comes in blue finish. Talking about the specifications, according to rumors, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite is said to come powered by Exynos 9810 chipset paired with 6GB of RAM. The triple rear cameras of the phone is reported to include a 48MP main camera along with the ultra wide angle lens and a macro lens. For selfies, there will be a 32MP camera at the front. The smartphone is also reported to support Bluetooth version 5.1, which will bring location tracking features. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy Note 10 Lite as leaked so far. Now, talking about the pricing and release date. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is expected to launch on or before December 27th, and the pricing is reported to be around 670 euros in Germany, which roughly translates to 53,000 Indian rupees or $740 US. So as of now, that's all we know about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.